Hello my beautiful people, welcome to Mercy Beauty of Styles channel. My name is Mercy. In today's video guys, I'm going to decorate my dining area. Guys, you know I always bring you great ideas, and for this Mother's Day season I want to share with you a beautiful tablescape that you can use for the Mother's Days, and it's so really nice. You can use it for any other occasion. Guys, as you can see, this beautiful piece of decor, I get it from Amazon. It's a swan with her two little ones, so which is nice, perfect for Mother's Days. And guys, you know I love flowers, so I will always add flowers in my decor. But guys, if you don't love flowers just as I do, you can always substitute for greenery. But me, that's what I like, and I know it's my mom's favorite color. So since I'm doing a theme for Mother's Day, so it's perfect for me right now. But if you don't like it, you can always change the color, change your flowers to greenery or any color that you prefer. I always take some time to welcome everyone that new to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Mercy. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you'll be the first person to know. In my channel guys, I do product review, clean with me, DIY. If you're not new and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so today. To all my subscribers, thank you so much guys. Without you, I will never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for every single one of you guys. I love you all, and keep on watching. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amis. Si c'est la première fois, moi c'est bienvenue. Non, moi c'est merci. S'il vous plaît, guys, pas oublier abonner et puis partager la vidéo avec vos amis. Dans la vidéo, ça va montrer nous qui j'aimerais décorer en salle à manger pour la fête des mères. S'il vous plaît, si vous n'aimez pas oublier pour la bonne commentaire en bas vidéo pour moi. Et si ce n'est pas la première fois, tout, moi je vous remercie un peu pour le support. S'il vous plaît, continuez à regarder cette vidéo. Moi, j'aime nous. Okay guys, this is the finished look. Let me know down below what do you think, if you like it. If you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share the love with your friend and family. I really love how everything turns out. What do you think guys? Don't forget to leave me a comment. Let me know what do you think. I'm using these colors, guys, because that's the one my mom likes. So if you want to recreate the look, you can always change the colors of some items that you don't like in this video. And guys, I really love my charger and my placement, and I'm going to leave the link of everything that I use in this video in the description box down below. If anything interests you, you can always go to the description box and check them out. Bonjour, bonsoir mes amours, bienvenue sur ma chaîne. Si vous êtes ici pour la première fois, je vous souhaite la bienvenue. Mon cher merci, je vous en prie, n'oubliez pas de vous abonner et de partager. À tous mes abonnés, un grand merci mes amours pour votre support, je vous aime. Okay guys, that was all for today, and thank you so much for taking your time watching the video. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.